In this video, we will show you how to select multiple objects according to their stitch type. In cases like this one, you may have created a design with many objects where you want to apply a chains in just a part of them. For example, the ivory leaves are old step fill, while the mint leaves are satin. If you want to select all objects of a certain stitch type, there is a special way to do that. Suppose that you want to select all step objects. Select the step object, and then right-click on the step type on the Properties bar. From the drop-down menu, use the Add Step to Selection option. Now all the step objects are selected. If you wish, you can easily remove some objects from the selection. Hold the Control key down and click on the objects you wish to deselect. Now we only have these step leaves selected, and we can easily apply any changes to all of them at once. This is especially useful when you want to apply a new style, pattern, or any other transformation, such as setting the same color to all similar objects in a design, or adding an outline. In the same way, you can add to the selection objects of any other type. If the desired type is not visible on the Properties toolbar, right-click the icon of the current selection. Choose Add to Selection and select the type you want from the list. Alternatively, click the icon or expand the Fill Type list or the Outline Type list. From the appearing menu, right-click on the type you want to select and choose Add this type to selection. In this case, select the Add Satin to Selection. Now all leaves are selected, and you can set another color, for example. In some cases, it may be easier to select all objects and remove the objects of a certain stitch type. Right-click on the type that you wish to remove, and from the appearing menu, use Remove from Selection option. Or select them all, right-click on the type you want to keep selected, and choose the type you want to deselect from the Remove from Selection menu. The software offers multiple ways to make the selection process fast and flexible, even for complex designs.